Going on YouTube, working on the 6.2. Just want to show you what the inside of my engine looks like. I haven't cleaned it. This is what it came apart looking like. So, I've been changing the oil in it like I'm supposed to. As clean as a whistle in there. It doesn't help the lifters failing. They're just going to fail. There's just no way around that. But what I'm going to get you guys to look at, here's the first intake valve that I took out. You can see all the carbon all over it. And I don't know, I can't show you that side, but if you hold on a second, let me get this head rolled over here. If you look inside there, you can see all the carbon inside there, and that's even after I did that thing where you spray the chemical in the engine through the intake system when it's running and let it sit for an hour, then drive the dog crap out of it, but it's still in there. So I'm going to clean these up. I'm going to clean my valves. I'm going to go through all of them while I got it apart. I'm going to put new valve seals in, and I'm going to lap the valves. I mean, you can see, I don't know if you guys can see these, where the seal is right there for the valves. I'm trying to get light on there, but it looks like it's seating okay. But since I got it apart, I'm going to go ahead and try to freshen that up a little bit. I did clean the bottom here, these cylinders. I used brake clean to do that with, and got the gasket surfaces pretty clean. I think the worst part of this so far has been cleaning this old gasket material off this aluminum without, destructing the aluminum. But that's what I'm doing now. I'm working on this. I'm just going to take my time and do each valve and clean them up real good and lap them in and put it back together. And as far as the engine block goes, you can still see the hatch marks in the cylinder walls. So the cylinders don't have very much wear on them, as far as that goes. 117,000 miles on the truck. And I ordered a kit, the complete delete kit, and I'm going to just put a stock spec cam back in it. Closely matches. It's almost identical to the old cam that came out, and I don't need more power. I want my truck to run smooth and quiet, and I just want it to be dependable. And but anyway, I was just showing you guys what I'm doing with the heads, and get ready to put it back together. I'll show you guys the kit and what came in it and how much it was and who I got it from and all that good stuff. So keep you guys posted. All right.